You wonder, what is it? Why deploy, crowned soldiers with masks at a nomination center? What was the terror threat, first of all? What was the threat? If Narkora was going to address an illegal rally, like it has been claimed, did the security agencies use proportional force as required to disperse unarmed civilians? The 3 drones that were packed for kidnapping, abducting people. So what is the intention of security? What is the intention of the regime in this by-election? So you have security, and I think these people that we see that are masked, they are wearing a monkey face. I've never seen any official agency wearing a monkey face. So they are openly telling citizens that we are here now to play monkey games. Yeah, because we first saw this monkey face when Besje was produced at Nakawa for those treason charges. Now the monkey faces were many at the nomination. So they are saying, are you saying our elections are monkey business? What are you saying? What is the message? Is Uganda under terror alert? If so, why can't Parliament be notified so that the whole country is notified that we are now under terror alert and this is how we must conduct our affairs? Why deploy the Joint Anti-Terrorism Task Force in elections? And I wish we could see the faces of these people. They should be sued for violating the sovereign rights of Ugandans to engage in political campaigns. The second issue, other than security, is the mentality of the Electoral Commission. The current Electoral Commission thinks their job is technical. They are behaving like the old-time secretaries who would concentrate on a typewriter to the extent that even if you are talking to them for clearance to see their bosses, they would not even look at your face. Typewriter, the noise it would make. I know young people don't know these typewriters. So we have Electoral Commission behaving like typewriter operators. They think their job is technical. We have nominated tick box. We have delivered ballots tick box. They think the quality of election does not concern them. Yet Article 61A is very clear. Ensure that free and fair elections are held. This is a directive of the Constitution. Functions of Electoral Commission. Ensure. Ensure is an operative word. And I want to read the meaning. Make certain that something will occur. So to what extent does Electoral Commission make certain that Ugandans are going to enjoy free and fair credible elections? When you talk to Justice Vyabakama, he says, I'm not in charge of security. Security must do its job if there are all enforcement issues. So we should start crafting that response of Justice Vyabakama.
Doctor, just to catch you, a lot of times on this show we've talked about the institutional state capture and the fear within which the institutions in this country and the heads and the people who work in these institutions actually operate. Do you think to a certain degree this could actually manifest in the way the EC is actually handling business around this time of elections?
You see, Judith, there's an old adage that nobody can climb your back unless it's bent. Nobody can climb your back when you're standing straight. So if these people have decided to bend their backs so that they are run over by the deep state, we are not here to apologize for them. They have a job to do, and I'm calling them out based on their job prescribed by the Constitution. I don't want to be part in their bent backs that I climbed over by deep state. So if the Constitution says ensure that free and fair elections are held, what does it mean? Electoral Commission, their mindset is to say that's not our business. They did the same in 2021. The same mentality now the staff of Justice Byabakama have carried this script. That's not our business. So we need to seek interpretation of the functions of the Electoral Commission. What does it mean when the law says the Electoral Commission must ensure that free and fair elections are held? What does it mean? What is the job of the Electoral Commission? Is it the old typewriter that have delivered materials, have nominated people? The rest doesn't concern me. Is it what the Constitution means? And we need to call them out because they are in charge of elections. When security takes part in an electoral exercise, security must act under Electoral Commission. But for them, they've distanced themselves from this obligation to hoodwink Ugandans for their failures. And I'm saying Ugandans should not accept this from Justice Byabakama and their team, that they are just like robots and they don't have a duty to deliver a credible, free and fair election.